1520. Now there's 1520. Oh, what the? Whoops.
This is a test of the Oklahoma Emergency Alert System. This message originated from the State Emergency Operations
Pretend they just zero in.
In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
And I will for Tennessee, which hopefully they won't screw up last time. I'm currently not feeling well. This. $15.10. Stop trying to mark Texas. Oh my God. Well, you're too short. Get it? Too short? Ha. Well, I'm not funny. There's the EOMs. So now, apparently, before WLAC went, WSM has a 1 hour delay. Anyways, Tennessee, you're too short. Ha. Well, whatever. There's KTSB.
This is a test of the Oklahoma Emergency Alert System. This message originated from the State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Alright, let me cut off the speaker. I am not going to wait for WSM at this point because I need sleep, considering that I'm not doing well. But yeah, don't worry. I'll get well soon, guys. And thanks for watching.